Hey guys, what's up? This is Kionz here. Welcome back to the show. And recently I've just created a music video, and the original Malay lyrics was written by myself. Alright, and in this video today I would like to share with you guys some of the lighting treatments that I use in order to achieve this kind of mood. So this is the lighting treatment, all right, and how I achieve this kind of lighting. All right, so right away we're going to dive in. I'm going to show you how I did it. All right, let's go. All right, right here I have one LED video light panel. All right, so this is the very common lighting that videographers or content creators use these days because it is very handy, it is very thin. All right, unlike those video lights which is heavy those days. Nowadays LED panels are very portable, right? So this is the one that I use, and LED lights comes in variation and different prices. The one that I have here, one light like this is around 1,000 plus ringgit, okay, but actually in Lazada or any online stores you can find it for 1,000 plus ringgit to actually buy 3 of them. Say one set you have 3 lights. All right, so you probably will be wondering why they sell in sets, which is 3 lightings. The basic of lighting is 3-point lightings, which we're going to cover next time if we have chances to cover in the further episodes. So today I'm going to use 1. All right, so right here it's the back of the panel. All right, so this is my LED panel, which is why is it so expensive? About 1,000 plus ringgit for one LED panel is because it has the controls here where I can control the temperature from warm to cold, which is blue, like right, as you can see, blue in color, or it can be warm yellow lights. All right, and it also can tune based on, I mean, the brightness can be tuned. All right, you want it to dim down. All right, this is no lights, and this is like 100%. So this is how we operate the LED panel. All right, so this is the controls that we have here. That is why this is slightly more expensive, about 1,000 plus ringgit, the one set, right? It's not 3, 1. Okay, so I only use one light, one LED light, full blast 100%, and warm light, all right, going through this glass directly in the place that I'm going to shoot. All right, let's go in and check it out. All right, since we are talking about mood that coming from one light source out there, all right, so we need to switch the light here off. All right, so now you can see it is much more different in terms of the tonality and the mood, where the light source is coming one side and only this side shined and this side is dark. All right, so let's take a look at the camera, all right, that I use. Okay, so this is the camera angle, right? As you can see, that is the camera shooting directly to the mic where I stand right here, right? And the lights is coming from outside. All right, so you guys might be asking, does this kind of effect can only be achieved via a DSLR or a professional camera? Well, I would say there are certain differences in terms of the lens focal, all right, the focus of the lens. You have the certain depth, but actually by using the phone you can achieve a very similar effect. All right, so there is really no need for, you know, expensive DSLR camera, right? So as you can see right now I'm just on a phone and I've already achieving this kind of light. Okay, so the way to do it is to point your camera directly to the light, all right, and then you just stand in between the lights and your camera. So this is how I achieve such an effect. Even a phone, all right, a phone camera can be achieving such an effect. So really it's not difficult, it's just that simple. One light source and I don't even need to have lighting from the environment, only one light source from outside, and it's good enough to actually light me up, and as well as the entire mood, all right, that I'm creating for this particular shot. So I hope you guys get something out of this sharing, all right? So if you guys are serious in making videos in your future, whether for your business or for your own leisure or your own content, you can consider to actually invest in one of these sets, all right? You can actually find this product in one of the link in this video description. I've just described it in the link in the description. The link is there. Once you click, you can go to the sites to actually find some of these LED lighting panel, all right? And it's pretty much quite reasonable, I would say. It's quite reasonable from Lazada, right? You can go and check it out, okay? And if you guys find value in this video, do share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow the page, follow the Facebook, and my Instagram, and as well as not to forget, follow the Telegram group so that each and every time I upload a new content about video tips, all right, you guys will be first to notify, all right? So see you guys and hope you guys have a nice day.